wake up and my children are just staring at a wall all day.
The police find laptops, tablets, cell phones. They find ropes. They find duct tape. They find handcuffs.
Taken away for 7 months and then you give it back like a couple weeks ago.
I don't think our viewers know that.
You've been sleeping on it.
Do what's best for his kids, get them back, get them under his tutelage and his fathership, and protect them.
For the past 4 years, I've chosen to follow counsel and guidance that has led me into a dark delusion.
Navigating family dynamics amid legal challenges. In a recent development surrounding the tumultuous situation involving Ruby Franke, the estranged husband of the embattled social media personality has filed for guardianship over their 16-year-old daughter Abby, according to court filings. The move by Kevin Franke comes amidst ongoing legal proceedings and challenges faced by the family in the aftermath of Ruby's arrest for aggravated child misuse in August 2023. The court filings, although sealed, confirm Kevin's petition for custody, signaling a significant development in the custody battle over their children. Kevin's attorney, Randy S. Kester, has not provided immediate comments regarding the matter, leaving the public and concerned parties awaiting further clarification on the situation. Kevin, 45, has been actively seeking to regain custody of all 4 of their minor children, including Abby, Julie, 15, Russell, 12, and Eve, 10, since Ruby's arrest last year. Following Ruby's detention, the children were placed under the care of Utah's Department of Child and Family Services, prompting Kevin to initiate legal proceedings for divorce and custody. It's worth noting that Ruby and Kevin also have 2 adult children, Sherry, 20, and Chad, 19, who are not directly involved in the ongoing custody battle. The legal intricacies surrounding Kevin's case in juvenile court remain shrouded in secrecy as the proceedings have been sealed. However, the fact that the case is ongoing indicates the complexity and sensitivity of the matter at hand, further underscored by the urgency expressed by Kevin's attorney to maintain familial unity and stability. Amidst the legal turmoil, Kevin's primary concern, as articulated by his attorney, is the well-being and continuity of care for their children. The desire to keep the children together under his paternal guidance reflects a commitment to stability and normalcy, despite the challenging circumstances the family faces.
Police say this is the house a young child escaped from and went to a neighbor's house asking for food and water.
I was really hoping that keeping them home from school and wiping the floorboards would really bring pain.
Watched 8 passengers were the ones to first kind of ring the alarm as to this alleged abuse that we're seeing now.
Do what's best for his kids, get them back, get them under his tutelage and his fathership, and protect them.
The viewers of 8 passengers over the past 2 or 3 years became more and more disturbed.
The decision to file for guardianship over Abby underscores Kevin's determination to assume a more active role in the upbringing and welfare of their children. As the legal battle unfolds, Kevin's actions signal a willingness to navigate the complexities of family dynamics and legal proceedings to ensure the best interests of their children are prioritized and safeguarded. The filing for guardianship also sheds light on the evolving dynamics within the Franke family, marked by a significant shift in parental responsibilities and decision-making authority. While Ruby's legal troubles have undoubtedly cast a shadow over the family, Kevin's proactive steps reflect a commitment to provide stability and support during this challenging period. The sealed nature of the court proceedings adds an additional layer of complexity to the situation, limiting public access to crucial information regarding the custody battle and the factors influencing the court's decisions. However, it is evident that Kevin's actions are driven by a sense of urgency to address the evolving needs of their children and to ensure their well-being remains a top priority. As the legal process unfolds, it remains to be seen how the courts will adjudicate the custody dispute and what implications it will have for the Franke family moving forward. Amidst the legal intricacies, the emotional toll on the family cannot be overlooked, underscoring the importance of providing support and stability for the children as they navigate through this challenging chapter in their lives. Reconciliation amidst tragedy. In the aftermath of a deeply troubling case of child misuse, the Franke family finds themselves grappling with the aftermath, striving for reconciliation and healing. At the heart of this narrative are Ruby and Kevin Franke, whose lives have been irrevocably altered by the actions of Ruby's former business partner, Jody Hildebrandt. In the wake of the misuse allegations, Kevin, though not charged with any crime, finds himself navigating a complex emotional landscape. Despite vehement denials of any involvement in the misuse, Kevin acknowledges the gravity of the situation and expresses a desire to mend fractured relationships within his family. Speaking on The Today Show, Kester, the family's lawyer, reveals Kevin's earnest efforts to rebuild trust and bridge the chasms that have emerged. Rather than succumbing to bitterness or engaging in the blame game, Kevin opts for introspection and a commitment to his children's well-being. Central to Kevin's endeavors is the recognition that the road to reconciliation is fraught with challenges. His acknowledgement of the immediate and enduring harm inflicted upon his children underscores the depth of the trauma they have endured. In a poignant motion, Kevin seeks financial responsibility from Hildebrandt for the ongoing medical care necessitated by the children's psychological and emotional injuries. This gesture reflects Kevin's unwavering dedication to his children's healing journey, even as they remain under the care of the state. Meanwhile, Ruby Franke, visibly distraught, faces the consequences of her actions as she is sentenced for her role in the misuse. Her tears in court serve as a stark reminder of the human toll of her transgressions. Despite the severity of her sentence, Ruby's remorse is palpable as she apologizes to her 6 little chicks, expressing profound regret for the pain she has caused.
Taken away for 7 months and then you give it back like a couple weeks ago.
I don't think our viewers know that.
You've been sleeping on it.
Lock me in this room and write out my sins on a paper. She would come back in and read these sins back to me.
We took the phone away from Abby in November.
The police find laptops, tablets, cell phones. They find ropes. They find duct tape. They find handcuffs.
The courtroom scene encapsulates the complexities of accountability and redemption as Ruby confronts the consequences of her actions while striving for a semblance of closure and forgiveness. Amidst the turmoil, the Franke family's resilience shines through. Despite the specter of imprisonment looming over them, there is a glimmer of hope as they confront the challenges ahead with courage and determination. Their journey towards healing is fraught with uncertainty, yet infused with a sense of purpose as they navigate the complexities of forgiveness and redemption. At its core, the Franke family story is a testament to the enduring power of love and resilience in the face of adversity. Despite the scars left by betrayal and misuse, they remain steadfast in their commitment to one another, determined to forge a path towards healing and reconciliation. Theirs is a journey marked by pain and redemption, a testament to the human capacity for forgiveness and renewal in the wake of tragedy. As the Franke family continues on their arduous journey towards healing, their story serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of compassion, empathy, and forgiveness in the face of unimaginable pain. In their quest for redemption, they embody the indomitable spirit of the human heart, forging ahead with courage and resilience, determined to emerge from the darkness into the light. Legal proceedings and personal redemption. In the aftermath of the harrowing revelations of child misuse, the Franke family's journey takes a legal turn as they seek both justice and closure. At the forefront of these legal proceedings is Kevin Franke, who, in a poignant display of paternal devotion, endeavors to secure financial resources for his children's recovery. Kevin's plea to the judge to prevent the liquidation or transfer of Jodi Hildebrandt's assets, including her $5.1 million house, underscores his unwavering commitment to his children's well-being. His actions speak volumes about the lengths a parent will go to ensure the safety and recovery of their offspring. By advocating for the preservation of Hildebrandt's assets, Kevin aims to secure financial resources that will facilitate his children's healing journey, demonstrating a steadfast resolve to mitigate the lasting impact of the misuse they endured. The subsequent ruling by the judge, mandating Hildebrandt to set aside $100,000 for the minors from the proceeds of her home sale, represents a small but significant victory for the Franke family. While the legal process may seem labyrinthine and fraught with complexities, this ruling symbolizes a tangible step towards justice and restitution for the victims of Hildebrandt's heinous actions. As the legal proceedings unfold, Ruby Franke and Jodi Hildebrandt face the sobering reality of their actions as they are sentenced to 4 counts of 1 to 15 years to be served consecutively. However, due to Utah law capping imprisonment time on consecutive sentences, Ruby will serve a maximum of 30 years. The sentencing marks a pivotal moment in the Franke family's quest for justice as they grapple with the repercussions of the misuse inflicted upon their children. Despite the legal ramifications, Ruby's poignant words to the judge reflect a glimmer of hope amidst her despair. Her admission of guilt and commitment to serving her sentence with humility and remorse underscore a burgeoning sense of accountability and redemption.
We want to have relationships where we feel close and where there's love.
For the past 4 years, I've chosen to follow counsel and guidance that has led me into a dark delusion.
If I wake up and my children are just staring at a wall all day, and
We knew that Jody does this. We knew 14, almost 15 years ago that she's already done this.
As she fights back tears, Ruby's vow to unlearn her toxic behavior speaks to a profound journey of self-reflection and personal growth, emblematic of her determination to confront and atone for her past transgressions. Amidst the legal proceedings, the fractured dynamics within the Franke family come to the fore, as the estrangement of Ruby from her two eldest children, Sherry and Chad, remains palpable. The familial rift serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring scars inflicted by misuse, highlighting the complexities of forgiveness and reconciliation within the familial unit. Looking ahead, the Utah Board of Pardons and Parole holds the key to determining the exact duration of Ruby and Hildebrandt's imprisonment. With both women granted 30 days to appeal the decision, the legal saga continues, imbued with uncertainty and anticipation. Overall, the Franke family's journey through the legal system is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Amidst the complexities of justice and redemption, they navigate a labyrinth of legal proceedings with unwavering determination and courage. As they confront the consequences of past actions and strive towards healing and reconciliation, their story serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring power of love, forgiveness, and redemption in the wake of unimaginable pain and suffering. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.